Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. First, let's ensure everything is ready for a smooth pairing process. Make sure your iPad's Bluetooth is turned on within the Settings application. It's also important to charge your Apple Pencil to at least 10% power before attempting to connect it. Finally, remove any bulky cases from your iPad that might block the connection point, ensuring a clear path for pairing. For those with a first-generation Apple Pencil, the connection method is quite straightforward. Begin by carefully removing the cap from the end of your pencil. Next, plug the Lightning connector directly into the Lightning port on your compatible iPad. Your iPad should then display a Bluetooth pairing request on the screen. Simply tap the Pair button to confirm the connection, and your first-generation Apple Pencil will be ready for use. Connecting a second-generation Apple Pencil is even more seamless. Simply attach your pencil to the magnetic connector located on the long, flat edge of your compatible iPad. The pencil will snap into place and begin charging automatically. Almost immediately, a pairing request will appear on your iPad's display. Tap Connect or Pair to finalize the connection. This magnetic attachment also keeps your pencil charged and ready for when inspiration strikes. If you encounter any difficulties connecting your Apple Pencil, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can try. First, restart both your iPad and your Apple Pencil. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go to your iPad's Bluetooth settings, forget the Apple Pencil as a device, and then attempt the pairing process again. Finally, ensure your iPad's operating system is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.